So welcome everyone. We are still waiting for more people to join.
Hey, Sanjeev.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Hi.
Hi, Karuna.
Are you alright?
I'm all right. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Okay,
We
good.
can hear you.
Good, good, good. Okay.
How's that Aparna Jujunwala so cute? Oh, I like her. She's so cute.
That's my granddaughter, Karuna.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Arnaji. How are you? Why are we not
I'm-
seeing you today?
Oh, so
Well,
cute.
I'm leaving tomorrow morning, so that's why you're seeing me today. I
So
thought
why
I
am
would
I?
just. Huh?
Okay. No, we can't see you.
Yeah, you won't see me because I need to, keep looking at the script. You saw me
Okay,
just
okay.
now. Sanjeev,
Okay.
Anji, I'm here.
Hey,
I've
Karuna.
got the script on my phone, so I need to refer to it. And therefore, you won't be seeing me. Huh? Right?
Okay.
Is that
Okay.
correct, Sanjeev? Is there any other way
Up
of
to you.
doing
Up to
it?
you. Yeah, no, I think that is fine. And anyways, there will be a video playing, so our attention will be more on the video today.
Yes. Hmm. Yeah, you can bring me in later when we finish.
Yeah.
And you can give me a signal when to begin. It's really up to you. How many people have joined? I don't know.
12.
12 so far. Should we wait a little bit?
No, this is not even 7 yet. So I think we can do a little bit of informal discussion, give 2-3 minutes at least. People should join in, right?
Absolutely.
Yes.
At least give till 7 or 3 or 4 at least.
So
that
these
people can
little,
join in.
two little cute little boys are Dhruvji's grandsons, no?
Yes.
Yeah, I thought so. What are your names?
My name is Avi. My name is Kabir.
Oh, wow. Your names are lovely. How matching they are.
So cute.
Hi, Rakhi
cute.
and Kabir.
Oh,
Hi,
No.
Rakhi. Hi,
Avi.
Kabir.
Avi. Avi and
Avi.
Kabir.
इधर
Kabir.
Kabir.
Oh,
Which are
Kabir.
the B? Which are
Kavi
the
and Avi.
B?
Are you
Oh,
both
okay.
twins?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, lovely.
Your parents keep finding the most unusual names, and that's why we can't figure it out.
Shandy, see one dog has joined.
Oh, look at the doggy.
I can't see the.
Hi, Gitika ji.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, so good to see
I'm
everyone.
good. Yeah, it's good to see you guys. Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Aparna.
Hi. I'm sorry. Oh, hi, Gitika. How are you?
All well. So good to see you.
Very well.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, Vidhi.
Kabir, Nisa, and Kabir ought to be back, no? Are they here?
Gitika ji, Kabir and Nisa.
Yeah, Kabir, Nisa,
Yeah, they're
and
back just
Uday.
today.
Are they all here or not here?
They're back today only.
But today? I thought
Yeah,
they were
they
coming on Sunday.
They came back today.
Oh, okay.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Mamta.
How are you?
Well, all good.
There, yes.
Good, good.
Yes.
Hey,
Hello,
Kabir.
hello.
Back from the hills.
Here's the hilly boys back.
Hi,
Ellie
Aparna.
boy.
Hi, Mamta. How are you? Long time.
So good to
Hi,
see
everyone. How are you?
Hey
Hi,
Priya.
Good to see you.
Hi.
Hi, all.
Hi,
Sorry,
Karuna
I
ji.
got name wrong. It's your Tejo's name on it.
Shanvi, you want to see Kabir Bhaiya? See Kabir
Hi,
Bhaiya.
Priya.
Say hi to him.
Oh,
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, sweet.
Hi. Say Kabir.
Ishu
Hi.
Baba, you can say hello. Ram Ram to Nani.
Say hi, Bhaiya. And Nani is also there. You can say Nani.
Say Ram Ram to Nani.
Do Ram Ram.
Hi, Kabir. I can see you.
Nani, here she is. Do Ram Ram.
Hi.
Hi, Kabir.
Hello Manjuji.
Hi, Manjuji. I can see you.
And there's Vidhi Mami also. Wow.
So good to see Shanvi, you know.
Hi, Dhruv.
Anyway, all of you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
But we can't see you.
Yeah, you won't be seeing me because of a technical issue. You will only see me at the end. Okay?
Oh.
Yes.
So you're making sure that we stay till the end so that we can see you.
Yes. And I make sure who's on, you know. All right.
Yes.
Yes. So, Sanjeev, you have to give me the signal, huh? So you first
we
do
just going to
your.
wait for just 2 more minutes while I'm setting up the video. Okay.
Okay, okay, good.
You can
I
have an
said-
informal chat till then.
Yeah. I don't know why, but we had a lot of technical issues this time with the videos and Sanjeev downloading them. I sent them 3 times all over the place. And today, for some mysterious reason, some of the commentaries and the videos from my WhatsApp have just disappeared. So I had to recreate them again just now.
Oh,
That's right. But that's okay. It's part of the job, I guess.
Alka, what's your granddaughter's name?
I have 2 of them. The elder one is Amaya, who's not seen just now, and the younger one is Ishanvi.
Ishan.
Ishanvi.
So cute, lovely name.
This is Amaya. So now you can see Amaya too.
Oh, hi, Maya.
Hi.
Amaya, right?
Yeah, that's right. Amaya.
Probably her parents wanted to be at the head of the list, huh? For school and so on, huh?
Yeah, she's gone back. She had another class, so she's gone back to the class.
She's studying for a SAT exam.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
My both my grandsons have given it a little while ago, few months.
So your tech guru grandson also, kya? Om.
Tech Guru doesn't have a grandson; he has only young children.
Your grandson, Tech Guru.
Oh, he will be on the program today. Yes, you will see him
great.
along with Ira. That's right. Does anyone have her number? No.
Whose number?
Ira's number.
I
So
have it.
just asking, what is the show or what is the program about?
Just a moment, Aparna. Arna ji, what did you say? You want me to call her up or send her a message?
Yeah, tell her what is she doing, dragging her feet. Tell her to get on at once.
Okay. Okay, Aparna, now you can ask your question again.
Doggy,
I wanted to ask whoever would answer, what is the program about, this program about pets?
Whoever has
So,
to.
the program is about pets so that your mind is taken off by the more serious things in life which are occurring now. And all of us love our pets, and most of us in Chhatarpur have them. So we are doing this program just to show you our pets, to lighten our minds, and to enjoy the evening. That's it.
Okay.
Every Tuesday we do something different, you know. Last Tuesday, what did we do? We
Last
did the
Tuesday.
children's program. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, and, focusing on their talents and showcasing them and so on. And next week we are doing a program, an interactive program of Korean cooking.
Cooking show.
Yeah, next week. So every week we do something different. And we think that mental health is perhaps even more important than physical health at this stage, because if your mind is okay, then you can take charge of everything in life,
That's
But
right.
if you get into depression or whatever it is, you have to get yourself out of it. So we try and do something. I don't know. We are going to have a session amongst ourselves later on to see how successful we've been. Right?
Do we
Yeah,
have any-
looking forward to that.
So can everyone see the screen properly now?
Well,
There
I
is-
can't
there is a
see it at all, but that's
Peacock
okay.
feather with a dewdrop on it. Is that right?
That is right. I'll just play the video. You can just tell me if you get the sound or not.
Mm.
Yeah, but don't start.
Yes.
Huh? You can do it just for half a minute or something.
It's done. It's done. I think everyone can hear it.
Yeah, we heard it.
So welcome everyone. Welcome to today's special on pets. So आप सबका स्वागत है. और आप जैसे जानते हैं कि कोरोना के अंदर एक चीज़ ने सबको बहुत ही सहारा दिया और सबका मन लगा के रखा, वो हैं हमारे इंटरेस्टिंग पेट्स. सो CCFC, जैसे कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, इसका फुल फॉर्म है कंसर्न सिटीजन्स फॉर छतरपुर. तो हमने कोशिश करी है कि इस मुश्किल घड़ी में आप सबको किसी प्रकार से इंटरटेन रखें. और आज हम जानेंगे कि हमारे जो पड़ोसी हैं उनके पास किस प्रकार के पेट्स हैं और कैसे उन्होंने अपने मालिकों को बिजी रखा. सो लेट अस नाउ over to Aruna ji, and let us not keep you waiting any longer.
Okay, then I'm going to go with it. Peacocks are a part of your life if you live in the Chhatarpur DLF farm area. Am I going too fast? Or is this okay?
Fine.
Okay. So some people feed the peacocks, some shoo them away, but by and large, they have firmly established their presence here, which is most unfortunate as far as I'm concerned. The following is a short video with some images taken from the internet, but mostly shot by me, which details why most people go ooh and ah when they see them and wish they could have at least one of these beauties as a pet. I don't know why. Anyway, Sanjeev, please play the video on or the link with the peacocks, please. Thank you. Sanjeev? Hello.
Peacocks. Now, what can I say about them? Sometimes
Lots
they
of sound.
annoy us, sometimes they
Sanjeev?
delight us, but at no point
Hello.
can we ignore them.
Aruna ji, it's playing.
Aruna ji, it is playing. That is perfectly fine. Sound bhi aa raha hai.
Okay. Sound bhi aa raha hai. So you'll have to tell me when I have to come on.
Sure. Abhi to we are playing it now.
Okay.
They are predators of a kind because they eat up everything in everybody's gardens. And they make a nuisance of themselves with their cat calls. On the other hand, when they decide to grace us with their presence, when the weather is slightly better and the sky is overcast, they come and dance so beautifully that everything is forgotten. But you have to be very careful to catch them because at the slightest hint of a human presence or any noise of any kind, they just fold their feathers and fly away. So you can either accept them or tolerate them. But I have to state the obvious now that there must be literally thousands of peacocks in Chhatarpur. And these peacocks are everywhere, anywhere, and at any time. So you have to be a little tolerant of them. After all, it is the national bird. Why have I decided to include them as part of the pets program? Some of them are so tame that when you appear in their presence, when you're out for a walk in your own farm, they look at you and then they'll just look away. So the only animal that doesn't like them and cannot tolerate them is Amo, my dog. And he trees them either on the eucalyptus or the neem trees, but they refuse to beyond the boundary because they feel that this is home. They look at you and then they'll just, but.
So over to you, Aruna ji. So we've just done the peacocks.
Okay, does anyone want to say anything about it? I hope nobody is planning on keeping a peacock as a pet. Not a good idea.
Don't need
And
to.
it's-
They're already living in the farm.
Yeah, I know. They, as it is, they're eating me out of house and home.
Yeah, what can you
Yeah.
do? They're looking for food.
Yeah, you just have to tolerate them.
Yeah.
Okay, we will go on to the next pet. Now, this one has to be the most spoiled pooch in all of DLF. 2-year-old Aussie is a Labrador and lives in 21A South Drive. It is evident that he thinks that everyone and everything revolves around him, which it actually does, you know.
Oh,
So, Sanjeev, you can play the video, which is in the form of a movie kind of a thing.
Playing now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Has Ozzy logged in?
oh. Oh, so cute. Oh. He like his toys. Cute.
Ozzy, no.
How come you're such a good boy? How come you're such a good boy? Good boy. Chilling. Dancing.
So now we have finished with Aussie. Now we are with the next one.
Okay. Isn't he cute? He's a lovely,
Adorable.
lovely dog.
Oh,
Beautiful.
He can swim. He can swim.
Yeah, but he's so spoiled. My goodness, huh?
and
Anyway,
so adorable.
this is called
Yeah.
living a dog's life, you know.
He's so cute.
Yeah. Now we come to the third pet, and he is the most unusual pet of all. And he is doing his thing with his mouth, which is quite cute. And therefore, though it's a very short video, I thought I'll just put it on so that you can all see it. Does he have a name? I don't know. You'll have to ask Mr. Narang of 3 Maple Avenue. Watch now. Sanjeev.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं सब ठीक है थैंक यू
So we are done with the fish. This is the next one.
Okay. The next pet is an extremely handsome creature. He's a long-haired German Shepherd dog. He is Arjun and Abhinav's best friend. Leo, that's what he's called, also has a fancy address, 14A Chinar Drive. So, Sanjeev, I think you know this pet, but
Yes,
the
yes.
rest of us don't. So I do, and I've always admired him. But please play the video for us now.
Yeah, I'm going to play the video now.
Thank you.
So not as innocent as he looks.
Really? What does he do?
Are puche mat, and he eats up all the cabbage, all the mooli. So, somehow he loves cabbages.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. hai,
Well, he's got very healthy taste. What can I say?
Right. And of course, he loves to eat peacocks. So runs after them like anything, still not been able to catch any one of them.
Oh, he likes to bite them, huh?
Right. So now over to the next one. We have 2 Labradors.
Ask if anyone wants to say anything after any video, if they want to comment or anything,
How old is your dog, Sanjeev?
2+.
It's 2+ now.
He turns 2 in May.
So 2 years, 1 month.
Yeah. He's a really handsome dog,
Does the German Shepherd eat anything except cabbages and peacocks? What does he like? What else does he like?
Ekta will answer.
He loves his dog biscuits very much. And normal biscuits also. In the morning, while all my gardeners and all have the morning tea, he sits with them and he eats more than the biscuits, more than the other, all of them combined. He loves his Mary biscuit, any biscuit.
Yeah. Does he have packaged food or real food?
Both, combination of both. One time it's packed and one time is home cooked.
Oh, that's really good, Yeah, then he won't make a fuss later on. Yeah. Okay. We go to the next pet, and we are showcasing 2 Labradors again. Teddy, who is 11, and Mary, who is 9. Now, both of them look a lot younger than their stated ages. Must have had a facelift or something. Priya lives with these two beauties. So can we have Mary and Teddy? That would be video number 5, Sanjeev.
So I'm playing now.
She automatically prunes our trees. She helps us garden.
Very good. And gets her vitamin C.
Yes, with the oranges.
So Priya, was that the video was so short? Yeah, there is
No,
some.
a bit longer, I think, but anyway.
Okay, doesn't matter. I've got separate videos also.
Never mind.
No. Those are of peacocks. That's what you got, but this is the only one of the labs.
Yeah, here you go.
Yeah.
Not very long. Actually, it is only 20 seconds.
Okay, yeah. You see her pulling off in the end, she pulls off the quinoa.
Yeah. So that's it. So not very long.
So, should we go to the next one?
Yeah, we have to.
Okay. The next one is about this dog called Rolex. He lives in Brindavan House. Now, what Shilpi Gupta and other members of the family put him through his paces. So this would be video number 6, Sanjeev.
So I'm playing it now.
Guy, like you really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always a tough guy.
I keep taking myself down deeper. I won't stop till I get where you are. I keep running when both my feet hurt. I won't stop till I get where you are.
So we are
So
done.
cute.
We are
What
done.
was?
Yeah, we
Which
are
breed
done.
was this? Shilpi, are you there?
It's a Shih Tzu mix. I think it's a similar dog I have as well. It's Shih Tzu and Maltese mix I have.
Okay.
Any questions? Any questions?
So cute.
Is Shilpi there? She's the owner, no? I mean,
yes.
I don't think she's joined in.
Well, I mean, there have been messages flying around, so she could have
as well. I sent her.
at least one of them.
Okay, very cute.
Yeah.
Very cute.
So over to you, Arunaji, for the next one.
Okay, the next one is about Amo, who lives alone in 2 Marigold Lane. However, he's surrounded by creatures of all kinds. Peacocks, about 50 to 60 of them. They are his pet dislike, forgive the pun. Then there are at least 1,000 squirrels, some civet cats, about 2,000 pigeons, and other feathered critters, all of whom he dislikes. So he has a great time chasing them all. He runs from one to the other. So that's why he's so lean and mean, you know. So could you play it, please, Sanjeev?
Yeah, so now we are playing the video.
you doing?
Absolutely adorable.
Yeah? Okay.
Love the dog.
I have to tell him that.
Love the video. Loved how you put it together.
Well, that would be only my input as far as the video is concerned. My grandson Om has done most of the dog work. Let's put it like that. So he's done that, and some of the subtitles have been provided by yours truly and her daughter Ira. And since I'm on, on speak mode, Ira, I can't come on the video. I can't, even if I switch it on, you can't see me because there's some technical issue, which would take too long to explain and too difficult. So you'll have to bear with us, okay? You can only hear my voice. However, it's being recorded. So Sanjeev, we are done now. Let's go to number 8.
Yes.
But be careful because there are 2 parts to it. So don't show the second video, just the first one, which is a bit long. So I'm going to start by telling you that this magnificent macaw, which you're about to see, rules the roost in her home. Watch Karuna interact with me too. Oh my God, Karuna, what an original name. It's very cute. Huh? She should have had a grander name, I don't know, like Napoleon or something. Anyway, now the second part of the same video shows us her dogs. So there are Nando, a white Maltese, and Coco, a mix of Maltese and Shih Tzu. The others you see on the screen are all adopted by Karuna. Betsy, a mix of Pug and Shih Tzu. Jimmy, the Beagle. Jack is a Pug. And finally, Oreo, a Yorkie. Now, have I left anyone out? No, I have. All accounted for. Finally, a piece of really good news for all dog lovers here. Coco is going to be a mom any day now.
Are you just so clever?
I'll send you the pictures. I'll put them out as soon as the puppy arrives. Okay? So this is very exciting. Okay, then show this first part of the video with this macaw.
Yeah, it's already running now.
Good. Has he started doing things?
High five. Give me high five.
Yes.
Why is the video like that?
Like
can't
what?
Can't see the bird.
You can't see the bird?
His face. You can't see his face. You can't see his face.
This is not from our side. This is from the video only.
No, I had a full face.
Well,
It'll come, Karuna.
I can try and switch to some other video.
No, don't switch another video. I don't want the other one with him enjoying a blast of
This
cool air.
actually, the video is.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. See, now
Carry on.
different
Carry
thing altogether.
Can you see him open the tap, etc., or not that even?
We have done that. You saw that.
Oh, okay.
He's giving 5. I to ask him, give me high 5.
So sweet.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
He's too cute, Karuna.
Just so much. He has a special cooler. You're just so cute. He loves this boy. He's a home help. He just loves him. I'm the second best. He's the first best.
Are you showing the one with him with the bull or something? Just stop it at that, huh?
Yeah.
So now we have finished with this video, and now we have a video for the other pets.
No, you showed everything about Me Too just now, including the one with him in front of the cooler.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well,
The last one is not there.
that was supposed to be later. But
Okay.
anyway, you've seen now Me Too loves the camera. Now
Yeah.
this video came to me just 2-3 days ago, and he was caught with Sri Ram wallowing in the cool air. Now, I could not resist putting this video out for public viewing because I laughed so much. Me Too has ruffled feathers in this video, but clearly not of the kind you think. He's having a blast, right?
Yeah.
All of you? Yeah. Okay, now, is there another one of Me Too? Or you've put it all together?
Oh, Me Too is all done now.
Front of the cooler?
One
Okay, it's
missing.
all done?
The last one I sent.
Yeah, all
No.
done.
They're all done?
All done. Now the only thing is now we have a dog here.
No. Did you see the one of Me Too,
It's not there.
in front of the cooler?
Yeah. We did.
Yeah, done that.
All right. Then last and definitely not the least is Mr. Tumbles. He's a 9-month-old indie rescue dog.
Karunaji, these are the other pets from Karunaji. Karunaji, can you talk about them?
It's Oreo. Start with Oreo.
Oh, you haven't shown that?
No.
Oh, okay.
Started.
This is Oreo.
Carry on, Karuna, you say?
He's playing with the football at the moment.
Oh, that one, right?
Yeah, he's 3 years old. Coming up to 3 years old now. I bought him on 15th of August from Flipkart.
Oh my God. They sell dogs on Flipkart? I can't believe it.
Yeah. Just he loves playing with the ball, as he must have a football. He doesn't like nothing else but a football.
Yeah, that would be about his size, no?
No, it's the bigger one. This is a small one. He likes the bigger one as well.
Yeah.
Want me to pick it. Best Jimmy. This one was adopted from the only.
You just love it.
He was in a very bad shape.
You want a tickle? Hey, you want a tickle?
And that Jack, that was also adopted.
Babu wants a tickle.
Boy.
You want a tickle as well?
Afternoon is outside. She loves being massaged in the afternoon. She doesn't like to be touched any other time, only in the afternoon.
Oh my God.
Yeah, only in the afternoon,
So
after lunch.
strange.
Yeah,
Hmm.
after lunch. And just loves Shivam and eats the cakes and everything. He's just so adorable. Just love him. When we got him, he just flew over my head and sat on it.
Good morning.
We haven't given Coco's photo yet.
Well,
Coco, the little mom who's going to deliver soon to
well, this
puppies.
one, I don't know if this is Mr. Tumbles now.
Black and white one. Black and white.
Karuna, I
Mm.
think we had a real technical issue, so this is what has
Okay.
come through. Huh?
Okay. All right. Carry on.
So now we
Okay,
have Mr.
so
Tumbles.
now we're on the last video and commentary. And I just want to say last and definitely not the least is Mr. Tumbles. He's a 9-month-old indie rescue dog, just full of the joy of life. This is what he has to say about himself. Now, his mistress wrote that about him, obviously, but Mr. Tumbles is pretending. So what he's written is, "Hi, my name is Mr. Tumbles. I live on 2 Chinar Drive with my family. I'm 9 months old and I have 3 legs. My back leg got stuck in glass manja string and it ate into my bone. But having 3 legs hasn't slowed me down. I love running and jumping in the garden every day. You'll see him just now. I also talk. I talk a lot, especially when somebody says they love me and they wish me good morning. That special someone would be Sonali. Now, this is a series of 2 videos and a photo of Mr. Tumbles. So can you play the first one with him lying on the floor?
Yeah,
Sanjeev?
playing now. Playing now.
Good morning. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Tumbles. I love you. No?
It's too cute.
Very cute, really.
So now we have the second video of Mr. Tumbles.
Running around his
Yes.
garden.
Yes.
You can see he has only 3 legs. Huh?
My goodness, just look at him. Too good.
He's literally galloping.
Really. Amazing. Real cutie pie.
So Avi Kabir, this is your pet?
Yes.
Oh wow.
He's
Wow.
very sweet.
Love him absolutely. Adorable.
This is a photo of
Mr. Tumbles. You see, Mr. Tumbles is posing for the camera, as you can see. And if you see between the first to the third, to the photograph at the end, you see even dogs change their coloring, depending on German Shepherds are usually jet black when they are born and then their coloring changes. So the same way this dog's coloring has changed. And he must be thinking, actually, what a good looking, handsome dog I've turned out to be. Huh? And he is a good looking dog. So, does anyone want to say anything? Let me just bring the program to an end. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. As you must have observed, these are our pets and so lucky to be living with us in DLF. Everything is literally provided for them. But remember, they also have feelings and long memories. Treat them nicely and they will reward you with a lifetime of affection. So with that, we come to an end. But I just want to say at the end, I wish more people had sent in videos. I know it's a big pain to catch dogs in action and all that, but it would have been nice. So next time, don't forget to photograph and video your dogs, whatever they. Anyone want to add anything, say anything?
Well, I would like to say that they were beautiful and it is great to see them. And I hope that in future, we'll have more participation.
Yeah.
Yes, that is key,
And thank you. We loved all the dogs. Oh,
It's been lovely to see all the pets.
And we loved your Kakatua. Your Kakatua is such a sweetie.
All the pets got such a smile on our faces. Lovely.
Yeah.
So, Sanjeev, I don't want to be shy and retiring at the stage. I've finished everything. So can you please bring me back? Huh?
There you are.
There I am. Yes. Hi. So there was children. That was me going on and on. But did you enjoy the videos of the dogs?
Yes,
the macaw?
Lovely.
Okay, that's good. And like Sanjeev was saying, and I was saying earlier, we really should have more participation, without any hesitation and without any, feelings which are churning inside us. It would be good.
It's so therapeutic to watch all the animals, it's just gives such a feel-good factor to see all these animals, of various kinds, it's just lovely. Thank you very much for arranging this.
Thank you for sending in the videos. That's more than 75% of the work.
My Coco is not there. My Coco is not there.
I don't know. I'll send you the video that you sent as it is because I haven't.
Black and white is not there.
I haven't edited it, so I'm going to send it back to you, and you can then check it. Okay. But anyway, we will feature. No, it's not okay. We'll feature Coco with her puppy. How's that?
Yeah. Okay. I'll send you a photograph with the puppies. There are two now. Two puppies.
You already got 2 puppies?
Yeah, she's got 2. She went for an ultrasound yesterday, so got 2 puppies.
Okay. She still has to deliver. All right. Okay.
So she's going to deliver at the same time as she's going to have a baby.
Okay. All right. So
one
will adopt
the
other.
And 2 puppies.
Sakshi is Karuna's daughter-in-law.
Yeah. So she's going to deliver like next month. So the puppy is going to be born next month as well. We'll send a photograph. I'll send a photograph.
Yeah, dogs and have become very fancy. Now they have ultrasounds and all kinds of things. Oh my God. This never happened earlier.
It's the vet. He wants to charge a lot of money, you see.
Yes, of course.
I don't mind her having an ultrasound.
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay then. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sanjeev, Varnaji, everybody else.
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed seeing your
Take
darlings
care,
on
all
the
of you,
screen.
and be safe.
Yeah, and peace be to all of you.